So gold has had a remarkable pushback up, heading up from around the 1800 level, and we're at what, about 1916. You recall in my last video I was talking about how there could be a big push up on oil heading towards around the 1920, 1930, and we seem to be quite close. So let's dive into the charts and see where we might be heading next. So as you can see in the charts, we've had an incredible push up. Gold has come back up to the 1916. I'm not sure if we're going to break that level 1960 just yet, because overall I am looking for gold to sort of head towards the 1700 levels. We're still quite far off. It may happen, it may not happen, but this upward movement has to run out of steam. We've got interest rate decisions coming out next week, and we've got a lot of, we had yesterday core CPI come out, which really didn't impact the gold much. In fact, it left it confused. If I just go in on the 15-minute, you can see it just left the market confused. We've got quite a lot of economic news coming out today and tomorrow, especially the New York Manufacturing Index, Philadelphia Manufacturing Index, and the Michigan Manufacturing Index. So we're gonna see which way we're heading in the longer term view. But I would imagine it's going to be quite difficult to break this 1960 level at any time yet. Of course, it's very possible. I'm not saying that it's not going to happen, but what I would expect is some sort of weakening here, some sort of weakening on this upward movement. If I just go in a bit more, on the near term, I can't really tell just yet. It might be the case that we see gold sort of push down to around 1870s and then push up close to the 1930s, or it might be the case that for around it's just going to continue to the 1930s and it's done. But overall, I think there's going to be a push down before we even try to breach the 1960s. I think it's going to be, we're going to need a lot of market pressure to sort of break that 1960 level. Just now, overall, I'd like to be bearish on gold for now. I feel like this is going to come down south at least around the 1820s level. Then we'll have to look at where it might go. So let's keep following this and see what happens over the next couple of weeks. It might be the case that the interest rate decisions cause a dramatic drop on gold. It might be the case that it just propels it even higher. Overall, gold has risen as expected, but the question remains whether it will breach that last high 1960 or it's going to head back south. So there you go, guys. That's my take on the market. If you are looking to trade this, you're going to need my precise trade ideas. On a regular basis, as the price moves according to my forecast, I give out trade signals, or you might call them Forex signals, where I give you exact prices to enter, exact prices to take profit, and exact levels to take stop loss if things go wrong. So go ahead and join my Forex Signal service and get all my trade ideas. Jump onto my website. I'll leave a link in the description below and sign up and get my trade ideas today.